So today we're going to do the coconut body bronzer. Now what I love about coconut oil, I use coconut oil instead of soap. Coconut oil lifts dirt from your skin, and it's also super moisturising, but it's also antifungal and antibacterial. It's high in something called lauric acid, which has incredible antibacterial properties. The only thing is with coconut oil is that when it's cool, it hardens. So you really need to keep it nice and warm for it to be able to use it. Even when it's hard though, I just sort of like scoop out chunks and rub it over my body. And so I always say that, you know, coconut oil makes you feel like you're on holiday because it smells amazing, but it does all this hard work while your skin's on holiday, basically. So I put it in hot water to make it liquid. So I wanted to, usually I do mostly skincare, but I actually wanted to do something that was a little bit looking at makeup because I've got a daughter who's, you know, she's only 13. And she's always wanting to use, you know, like all her friends are using chemicals and fake tans, and I'm going, oh, the chemicals. And so I thought I'm going to start to work with iron oxides, which are natural minerals that have the natural colours in them, and, you know, start to play with them a little bit so I can offer her healthier alternatives. And so she loves this because it's a wonderful body bronzer and it's also really good for your skin. So it's basically just coconut oil and your iron oxides and a bit of mica, which is also a mineral that adds a little bit of sparkle. And basically I have these digital scales at home, which I use to measure all my things. They're really a great investment if you want to start to get into cooking, and especially if you want to get into more detail like cooking, like making cleansers and moisturisers. Okay, I use Nui coconut oil. It's my favourite coconut oil. It just smells absolutely divine, and it's also supports, it's fair trade, supporting communities in the South Pacific. So it's just amazing. You just want to eat it. Well, you can eat it. Coconut oil is really good for your skin, actually. Okay, so basically, do you want to just put in probably around, I think probably about 120 ml of oil?
Pouring it in?
Yep. Now it's grams, but grams and mil are about the same. So I put in the oil. So coconut oil is just beautiful as a cleanser, a moisturiser. I know some people who only use coconut oil as their only cosmetic. It also makes the most amazing hair conditioner, like a pre-shampoo treatment. All right, so here we've got our iron oxides. And we're using brown. It's actually really fun because it's like a bit like a painting class. You go back to painting 101, mixing your colours to come up with, you know.
You can make it as dark as you like.
That's it. You can make it, if you want to add a little bit more brown, you can make it darker. Less brown, more yellow to make it a little bit lighter. Okay, so we're using the mixture of brown and yellow, which gives a really lovely kind of bronzy colour. Just put in maybe, I reckon, 10 grams of that. 10 grams of your, and we can just mix and see how we go. So you get that lovely chocolatey brown.
Chocolate colour.
Yeah. If you want to put, maybe put about, I reckon about 10 grams in there as well. Beautiful. And then you can add essential oils to this. Yep, perfect. If you want to get a different scent. I mean, I think coconut is enough in itself, and sometimes I add like a vanilla essential oil. And you can get cocoa absolute, which is insane, and it's extracted from the cocoa bean, and you get this chocolatey vanilla coconut body oil that will last, it'll last for months. It'll last for like 6 months because, again, it's oil-based, not water-based. And so it lasts for ages. Oh, that looks lovely. And we might put a little bit of the mica in so you get that beautiful sparkle on your skin. That looks lovely. Maybe put, I don't know, that only needs about 5 grams. Ooh.
That's wonderful.
Isn't that beautiful? You can see that gorgeous sheen. If you look at places like Anika that do the beautiful mineral makeup, and I'm in love with mineral makeup. I've discovered it probably 6 months ago. And it's so healthy, it allows your skin to breathe, and it naturally gives the beautiful shimmer on your skin. And basically what will happen with this is that it'll go solid when it's cool. So when you want to use it, you just need to put it in a little bit of hot water. Ideally, having a bottle is better. So you get a little funnel and you put it into the bottle once you've made it. And so therefore you can just put the bottle into hot water, and once it liquefies, you can, you know, just pour it out. But in summer it's beautiful on those beautiful balmy beach days. it's always liquid because coconut oil is liquid at room temperature when it's warmer, and then just massage it onto your skin. Thank you. And I haven't put anything into this, it's just a pure natural coconut oil.